And welcome back to Cap That Flag. Today is the third video of our picoCTF series. The challenge we're looking at today is called Python Wrangling. It's worth 10 points. It's from picoCTF 2021 and it's under the general skills category. And the description is, Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in the terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get the flag? So we've got 3 different files we can grab. So I'm going to pull those down onto my virtual machine and then we'll have a look at them and get started. Okay, so now we have our 3 files downloaded onto the virtual machine. We have our Python script. We also have a password file that's going to be used in some way to decrypt this encrypted flag file over here. So the first thing we need to do is to have a look into this Python script and see if we can understand it a bit better, find out how it works. And use it to decrypt the flag. So we can see here that there's some help information built into the script. It's looking for an E flag or a D flag to use the script, and it's asking for a file. So the sysargv0 is the name of the script as well. And we can see this usage message gets displayed if there are less than 2 arguments or more than 4 arguments on the command line when we use the script. So if we jump back to the command line, we run this with no other arguments. It will give us this usage information. So then we have some code for the E flag, which I'm going to assume is encryption for now, and some more code for the D flag, which was most likely decryption. And also we've got a -h flag for the help message, which again we can look at if we go back here, -h. So again, this is giving us some more instructions on how to use this program. So just focusing on the code for the D flag, if there are less than 4 arguments in the command line, it will ask for a password, but if it has 4 or more arguments, it will assume the 4th one is the password. So then the password is going to be base64 encoded and then fed into the fernay function. Then down here, the encrypted file, in this case will be our flag file, is going to be read and then decrypted using that password. So if we jump back to the terminal, we can now run this Python code. We're going to decrypt, and the file is flag.txt. And then instead of just entering the password, we can use a redirect to send the contents of this pw.txt into the script. When we run that, we then see the flag in plain text. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.